Han. Han. Pagod. Pagod. Kaya pa, Han? Kaya pa? Ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
Boy, etra boy. Boy.
Kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag nabalik
Wait, oh what?
Parang parang ang alien dito sa video.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ako. Palagi. Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be with you night and day. The moon appears to shine and light the skies with the help of some fireflies. I wonder how they have the power to shine, shine, shine. I can see them across the pine, but don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, love your way every day. I wanna tell you I love your way every day. I wanna be with you night and day. I can see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray, blue besides. Clouds are stalking islands in the sun. Wish I could buy one out of season, but don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. No, baby, I love your little way.
Ash.
Mabait po siya at helpful at di po siya umiinom. Kasi pag umiinom po siya, nagagalit po kami. Tapos, pag umuwi po siya, galing sa work, may regalo po siya. Na McDonald's.
Regalo? Or
Food pala.
Pasalubong?
Ayun lang. Maging healthy at mag-iingat din sa work. At sana, lagi ka na dito para kasama namin ikaw araw-araw. Ayun lang. Hi, Da. Sana mag-ingat ka dyan at happy birthday and I love you. Mwah!
Dada is kind, sometimes he's funny. Happy birthday, Dada. Love you. Bye.
Couchy.
Very kind. And effortless yung pagiging funny. Ayun lang. Tapos generous magbigay. Ayun lang. Yung wish ko kay Dada, sana umaba pa yung buhay, tapos matuto nang mag-reply, tapos sumagot ang tawag ni Mama. Ayun lang. Sabihin mo na utang mo, Dad. Pag-school ko yan eh. Ayun. Happy birthday, Da! Love you. Go. Happy birthday, Dada!
Happy birthday, Dada.
Sometimes funny.
Sometimes he's funny.
Rocket sign. Happy birthday, Ronnie. Hey, this is Joe and Louie over here in South Korea. See, she's got a bright, smiley face. Happy birthday to you. We wish you Godspeed and blessings on your happy birthday today. Be safe, be happy, but most importantly, be Ronnie. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Ronnie.
Cheers
and
from South
have
Korea.
fun. Hope you have fun today. And at the who's this? Like I'm gonna spoil you. Well, take care. Bye.
Or it does spoil you. It just depends on how you look at it.
Okay.
Glass half full or glass half empty. Bye, Ronnie.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ronnie. Wish you more blessings.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ronnie. God bless po and enjoy. Bye.
Hi Ron! Babatiin lang kita ng happy birthday. I'm thankful to God na ikaw ang napili ni Dolly sa makasama sa buhay niya. Binago mo ang kanyang buhay at masaya ang pamangkin ko, so masaya rin ako para sa kanya. Sana habaan pa ni Lord ang buhay mo, magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday At I hope to see you guys when I go visit and spend more time with everyone. Love you guys. Bye. Happy birthday, Ron.
Oh. Kayanet. Happy birthday. Wala, dito kami. Dito kami sa restaurant ni Vidal. Busy pa eh, di mapunta. Hindi ko pa alam kung mauwi Manila. Happy birthday na lang. Sana malasing mo sila.
Oh, happy birthday. Padala ka na rito. Wala kaming inumin. Dito ka na lang mag-celebrate.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday kay Ronnie. And wish ko, syempre, always good health. Pahinga din, relax din pag may time. Happy birthday. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday pa. Ayan. Miss na kita. Then, thank you for everything na ginawa mo para sa family natin until now. Ayan. So, alam ko po ang dami na nangyari pero still andyan ka pa din for us. Yun lang pa. Stay healthy always. Then, yun. Banding soon po. Miss ka na namin. I love you pa. Happy birthday po.
Ayan. Gulat ka, no? Ang daming videos. Mga old videos pa yun. Karamihan. Lalo na yung umpisa. Mga 3GPP format na yun. Kinonvert ka lang. I hope napasaya ka dun sa videos, dun sa mga confidation videos. I want you to remember everything from the start, of course. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being such a good dad sa mga bata. Even though hindi ka naman lagi nandito. But I hope na in time, babago yung setup mo na yan na hindi ka umuwi. Naging happy ka sana sa birthday mo. And wishing you good health lagi. And sana sundin mo yung lagi kong sinasabi regarding sa mga kailangan kainin. Yun lang naman yung mga lagi kong payo sa'yo. I love you so much. We love you so much. And happy birthday. Love you.